A political shocker from former Senator Antonio Trillanes. He claims key opposition figures are actually against surrendering former President Rodrigo Duterte to the International Criminal Court. Hannah T tells us why in this report.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes drops a bombshell. Both former Vice President Leni Robredo and Senator Bam Aquino privately told him they don't support turning over former President Rodrigo Duterte to the ICC, who was recently arrested for crimes against humanity.
Both Bam and Leni, ayaw nila ng ICC. Sinabi nila sa akin yun.
Talaga? Personally?
No, kung mananalo daw si Leni noong 2022, hindi raw nila ibibigay si Digong sa ICC.
In an interview on the news podcast Facts First, Trillanes admits it was a stunning revelation, but did not disclose further details. And that is why, for him, there's only one opposition leader fit to take on VP Sara in 2028, Senator Risa Hontiveros.
Hindi ngayon yung ang mundo na tinitirahan natin. Ito may mga ganitong mga evil forces at play eh. So kailangan mo nung kayang tumindig. At si Senator Risa has demonstrated that time and again.
He says Hontiveros consistently stood her ground against the Dutertes and has fearlessly called out the VP. He rules out Aquino and Robredo. While both are good people, he says they have made compromises that weaken their stance.
Si Senator Bam Aquino, for example, kasi bakit? Ngayon nga, kakokus niya, kabloke niya yung mga Duterte block. Sa akin, hindi ko kaya yun. Under any conditions, gusto ko man ng committee o whatnot, hindi kaya ng sikmura kung makasama ko sa caucus yung mga Duterte block.
Aquino now chairs the Senate Committee on Basic Education after voting to retain Senate President Cheese Escudero's leadership. Meanwhile, Trillanes criticized Robredo's meeting with VP Sara in Naga City last year. While it's a friendly gesture, Trillanes says that undermines her ability to stay critical.
Kaibigan niya si Sara Duterte. Remember, pinapasok nga niya sa bahay niya, hinost niya doon. So, paano mo ngayon mapapanagot si Sara kung magpe-presidente si Leni?
He also noted her silence on VP Sara's impeachment, which he believes points to a possible cooperation. Trillanes says this contradicts the opposition's agenda of holding the powerful accountable. Hontiveros previously said she still regards Aquino and Senator Kiko Pangilinan as political allies, even after they joined the Senate majority. BNC is reaching out to Robredo and Aquino for comment. Hannah T, Billionario News Channel.